Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, confirm your PC meets prerequisites, Windows 7 SB1 or later, roughly 4 GB free disk, and NET updates. Next, choose the edition. Community is free for individual use, professional or enterprise if your license requires it. Once decided, download the Visual Studio 2019 installer and run it as administrator to avoid permission prompts. While it launches, close heavy apps so installer can allocate resources. This speeds the process and reduces interruptions. Now focus on the installer UI. Choose workloads aligned with your projects, for example, NET Desktop for WPF/WinForms, ASP, NET for Web, or Desktop C++ for native apps. You can click individual components to add SDKs, specific runtimes, or language packs. Include only what you need to save space. Make sure to change the install path if you prefer a non-default drive. Once selections are confirmed, click Install and allow the installer to download required packages. This may take time. When installation completes, launch Visual Studio 2019 and sign in with your Microsoft account to sync settings and unlock community features. Make sure to run the built-in update from Visual Studio installer to get latest patches. If something goes wrong, first run the installer again as administrator, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall, and use the installer's repair option. Finally, check the installer logs in %program data, %\Microsoft\Visual Studio \setup for error codes. These point to missing
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.